ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Noilam jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong baka All India Trinamool Congress kan Ïakynduh Mawsiang baha hak election MLA ke Bansalong House Nam Arajar Arpulai hak jing keren baka Batisi TV uba Pala ulaong ba kumba kalong menta ka Trinamool Congress kipha da kinong islok na bar ka jela kat baka party pat ka don syadien hak juk por ulaong ru ba ka jingwan besut jong ka Trinamool Congress hapok ni ka jela kan ombu jingmai ARUM ya kaseng Kongres haka election MLA syaka ying dorbar thawang kaban salong House Nam Arajar Arpulai.
The party they are not going to fight the election as it is in India, the states, because if you see now the consultants are in the front, the party are behind. So the consultants are coming from West Bengal, from UP, from Bihar. They come here, they'll go and interview the people, so they'll do the research, they'll do analytic, which we also have done all this in advance for us also. For example, enrollment we have done much in advance for the parties. So I don't think that it will be a threat to the Congress. They are targeting mainly the Congress because the Congress has left and joined them. But those Congress who has left and joined them, they themselves will have a tough time. By engaging a consultant to go and do a survey everywhere, doesn't mean that the party is working. I don't think they even have their office. By the time they establish the office, by the time they start organizing their units everywhere. So 1 year is a very short time to organize a new party. They may have that expectations that they'll have huge money. They have expectations that they'll do very well analytic. But if the public are with you, what can you do? Election doesn't depend on the party alone. It also depends on the acceptance of the people for the ideas of the party. So Trinamool is a party mainly based in West Bengal, and you see they have failed in Tripura, they have failed in Goa. Hopefully they'll fail in Meghalaya also. They may talk big, but to translate that talk big into practical, to in action, it's not that easy. So far, I don't see much except in the constituencies where the MLAs who left us, they work. But you need to work in 60 constituencies. So not only in the 12 constituencies. So I'm sure that they'll have a tough time. I don't think that they'll getting the results as they expect. In Garo Hills itself, out of 24 blocks, so far I've not got a single block who have left our party and joined with the Trinamool. The MDCs and the MLAs or a few leaders might have joined, but not the entire blocks. Many of the blocks are still with the Congress. So with even in Charles Pangrove, also in George constituency also, they have not been able to, even in the Mawsiang, they have not been able to take all the blocks with them. Only a few, maybe hardly 5 or 10% has gone with them. The rest of the blocks are with the Congress. So even, I'm telling you, even the leaders who used to work with them day and night, so they still remain in the party because they thought that now it's very late to start a new party in Meghalaya, and to reach to the ground will take some time. And the party who doesn't have a good name even in West Bengal also. Winning election is something else, but the ideology which they have, it's not that easy. You see how they organize, how they have how they fought election in West Bengal, everybody knows. And the post-elections now CBI inquiries on and all. So people, they don't want to bring all these issues to Meghalaya also. So Meghalaya is a peace-loving state. Though we used to fight election, but we never have a post-election problems. All the parties will work together. So I think nowadays people are smart. Voters are smart. I fully have a confidence on the voters of Meghalaya. And looking at the leaders who are in the Trinamool, especially the member of parliament who were in the Trinamool, who left the Trinamool, and now who are with the Trinamool, I don't think that Trinamool will be able to do well. Even the BJP could not manage it. How will they expect that the Trinamool will be able to do it?